Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I have something exciting. It's a pretty big Sephora haul. I shopped the VIB and so I'm excited to share the items I got from that. So let's just get started and see what I got. Okay, friends, I want to first of all thank you for being here. I appreciate your support. If you'd like to support my channel, you can do so by hitting the subscribe button, the like button, leaving me a comment. All those things are so appreciated, so thank you for that. And this right here, even though this is full, this is just part one because I have stuff that is being shipped also, and that will be part two that I'll probably show at a later date. But I wanted to get this up there in case you're getting ready to shop the VIB sale. And anyway, you can see some of the things I got firsthand. So, I got 3 of something. This is also probably going to be another video because I want to review these, to check these out and review them. But the first thing I got is, I got 3 kits. This is the Glow Up kit. And I'm just going to put it up close there so you can take a look at it. It's got, let's see, 9 items in it. And they all look kind of fun. We've got brands like Rare Beauty, Benefit, Glow, Recipe, Hudabeauty, which is my favorite right now, Clinique, Tarte, Tatcha. Anyway, so there's some fun stuff in here. So I'm excited to get to these. Of course, these are all pretty much sample sizes. I think there's 2 or 3 full size, but when I go to review these, come back and I'll review these, or come check it out when I get this video done. We can see what all's in here. So the next one is the Vacay All Day. It's like a vacation one, and this is also another Sephora's favorite. This one feels like it's has a little bit more in it, or bigger items in it. It says stay hydrated, glowing, and protected all summer long with this must-have kit. This set features 9 products made to give you that summer glow on the go. So anyway, I'm excited. Once again, we have Rare Beauty, Urban Decay, Patrick Ta, Merit. I mean, there's a lot of good products in here. I will also review this on another video, so you can come back to that. And then the third one I got here, they actually have 4 right now, and one of them they're out of, and that's the one I really wanted. But anyway, the third one I got here is, it says Clean Me Up Kit. So there it is right there. And this one, it says Beauty Meets Simplicity. This kit includes 8 must-have clean beauty products to transform your everyday routine. So, let's see. Anyway, so there's that. What am I most excited about in here? There's I wanted to try this. It's a new brand, and it's hard to read. I don't know. I think it's Kulfi. Kulfi. Anyway, this is an eyebrow gel. It has like a kind of a brush on it and a comb. Anyway, I'm kind of curious about that one. Let's see. I just had some, I really wanted to try the LYS bronzer. I always love blush. It has a Merit blush. It has Ole Hendricks. This is a great product. I have the large size, but that'll be a good travel eye cream. Is it eye cream? Or face, it's face. Anyway, I don't know. Once again, I will review this and in another video, so stay tuned for that. Now let's get to all the other things in here. I still have several items. Now another one of my most favorite things I got is the new Natashadenona Bloom palette. So this is Bloom eyeshadow palette, and we're going to take a look at it right now. I always try to get these when they're on the sale because they're, you know, they're pricey. So that's how pretty the outside is. I love that. So it looks like we're going to have pinks and peachy colors. And that's exactly what it is. It's a little bit of a warm palette, which is not necessarily me. But I think I'm excited. I actually think this will be a really good summer palette. So especially with a tan or whatever. So anyway, there's that. Yay. I think I have like all of her palettes now, but I just keep getting them when a new one comes out because I love her palettes. So anyway, there's that. The next thing I'm pulling out here is from Huda Beauty. Now Huda Beauty right now is kind of one of my favorite brands. I've just been getting into their stuff. And this is the, now I just got another face powder, but this one's the pink. Let's see, what do they call this? It's Easy Bake Blurring Loose Baking and Setting Powder. So the color is Oob Birthday Cake. It's pretty pink. But you know I like the pink look, and it's supposed to color correct and whatnot. So anyway, it's not open yet, but I'm kind of excited to try that. It's a new product that just came out. So there we go from Huda Beauty. And the next thing I'm going to pull out, let's see, just going to get all this stuff here. Okay, so the next thing I got here is from Kosas. This is also a new product, and this is an under eye corrector, color corrector, whatever. And I've heard pretty good reviews on it so far. So it's like a pink. Anyway, I definitely want to try this. So it looks like a good product. So anyway, I'm excited about that. So there's that. The next thing I got is a product I own and I love. And once again, it's Huda Beauty. And it's the double-ended, I think I need my scissors to open this. It's a double-ended mascara. So it's one of my favorites because I like to use two mascaras. I like to use a lengthening and a volumizing. And this has both in one tube. So let's see here. Okay, so here it is. I've used it. I've showed it on videos before. I love this. So it's kind of fun just to have both in one. So I have a backup now of that one because I love it. And then another item I got, I researched this. This is again Huda Beauty. And this was in several top rated for eyeliners. I went and looked up, you know, a bunch of different articles or suggestions of really good eyeliners, and this showed up in several of them. So it's the Huda Beauty. It's the, let me see, the Creamy Kohl Long Wear Eye Pencil. I like that it's long wear. It's just like this, and it's got a pretty fine tip. It's got the, you know, I love that it has the roll up feature. So there's that. It feels really good. I think I'm going to really like this. I think it's going to go good in the waterline too. So anyway, excited about that. Yay for Huda Beauty. Woo. And then I got from NARS. This is another thing that was, I'm looking for some good concealers. And is this, no, this isn't the concealer. What is this? I use NARS. I have a NARS under eye concealer. I don't think that's what it is. Oh yeah, I've been looking for eyeshadow primers. So this was also highly recommended in a lot of top rated sites. And so it looks like this. There's the package. So NARS. And let's see. Oh, this is a clear. It's a clear primer, but people really like it. So I guess we'll have to see. I don't know. I'll try it and review it. And so kind of excited about that. I actually have another eye primer that got good reviews, and that one will be in my part 2 of Sephora. And so I think I down to the last item. And the last item, I've been really curious about it, so I just broke down and got the kit. This is the Love Shack Fancy. Love Shack Fancy Perfume Library. It has 4 different kinds. I have a feeling which one I think I would like the best, but I was just curious to try them. I know they're small little samples, but anyway. So they're going to be really small. Yes, they are. Some people said they lasted long, but I don't know. They're pretty small. So there's that. But I'm excited to try them. So let me see. I'm going to spray one of these on my hand right here. Okay, I like this one. So I just had a feeling I was going to like these. Dang, I really like that one. Okay, so there's that. So anyway, this is, just go through real quick on prices. I got, I used my VIB or my Rouge status, so I got 20% off. The Love Shack Fancy was $18. The NARS Pro Prime Smudge Proof Eyeliner Eyeshadow Base was $26. NARS, okay. The Sephora Favorites Clean Me Up makeup and skincare value set. This is $50, but it does have 3 full-size items, so I figure it's worth it. And the Huda Beauty, this was pricey. I wasn't paying, you guys, usually I always pay attention to prices, and I wasn't really doing that because I knew I had a discount, and it was just like, I'm going to get stuff I want to try. So the Huda Beauty is $39 for that. And the eye pencil from Huda Beauty was $21, so that was reasonably priced. And the Huda Legit Lashes mascara is $31, which I find, I love this. It's like 2-in-1, so it's like getting 2 mascaras. So that's kind of cool. And the Natashadenona, of course, her palettes are always $69. So there's that. And then I got the Vacay All Day. This one right here was $48. And let's see. The Kosas color corrector. This again was quite expensive, $32. I heard good things about it. This is probably the only time I really splurge is when I can get the discount and try some new things for at a lower price. But so I kind of did buy some pricey items. And I think that's it. The favorites, the glow up. I got this actually from Kohl's, and Kohl's is, I didn't realize Kohl's is kind of, their Sephora is a little bit different. So my order's not showing up on here. And once again, I'm going to do these in another video. So that's my big Sephora haul. I'm so excited. It's like, this is really fun. Like, hello. It's just fun. So all my Huda Beauty stuff. Yeah. Anyway, so I'm excited. Let me know what you think. Did you go to the sale? Is there something you really want? Is there anything here you want to try or would like a review on? Let me know in the comments. And guys, I really appreciate you being here. I appreciate your support. And so I want to thank you for that. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.